Hello, welcome back to my channel, and for this particular video I want to show you how you can set up what we call quantity discount in your OpenCart store. So I know this is important for most people, especially when you want to run some kind of sale, and let me show you how you can do it. So the first thing I want to show you is that the first part is, let's look at one of these products, for example this one, and as you can see, this product price is 100 US dollars. Okay, and I've also disabled tax across the site, so basically this is the price of the product. Now let's say if someone buys three products, or three, this is a Canon EOS 5D. If they buy three of them, we want to reduce their price, the price of each, to say $80. Okay, so what do we do? So it will be 100 minus 80, that is 20 US dollars worth of a discount. Okay, so to set such kind of a discount, we just need to go back to the product and then switch on the discount tab, and then let me just double check. So this is, you can see the product is the same, so discount, and then right here you need to select the appropriate customer group, and then for the quantity, so we've said that if they buy at least three of them, let's set priority to one, and we will give them a discount of $20. Okay, and this is subtract, so we will subtract $20 from the initial price, which is $100. Okay, so that's what this means. And then we'll just set a start date today and a future date, like that. Actually, when you don't provide a date start and date end, this kind of discount will run throughout. Okay, so you can think about that. In another video we'll talk about the special, but for now let's focus on the discount part. So I'll just go ahead and save, and actually before we test the product, I think it's important that you first test the product without adding tax, so that you ensure you have the right calculations before you add your taxes. Okay, so that's why for the tax class I've actually set it to none. So once you've done that, just go ahead and refresh the page, and as you can see, if we buy three or more, the price without tax will be $80. I think if we add tax here, I think the price will change a bit. Excuse me. Yes, so let's test when we add tax. So I'll just go ahead and save that. Now when I refresh, you can see it's saying that if I buy three or more, it will be at $98. Okay, and you can see the price with tax is $122. So when you subtract $122 minus 98, I don't think you will get 20. That's why I recommended that first you need to test this without tax, okay, to ensure that your math is making sense. So just get it back to that. Now, so once we have this, let's see how many products. I actually have three of them in my cart, so I'll just go ahead, and as you can see, it's already 240, which means each of them actually goes for $80. So when you go straight to checkout, it's unfortunate that it actually doesn't show up somewhere here, maybe to say that this is the discount you've been given. but I'm sure when you check on the OpenCart marketplace, most likely you might find something to fix that. Yes, so here we have three of these, and this is the product total. So in case you've added tax, I think that will be a bit different. So I'll just refresh, and as you can see, the price is now 290. Okay, that's the total price of these three, including the taxes, I presume. And then there's another. So this is how they're showing you how they've calculated the taxes to a point where they're making. I mean, the math is now at 290. Okay. Yeah, so that's how you actually create a quantity discount. And something else you can try is setting as a percentage. So let me just show you that. So let's say we want to give a similar discount, but want to give a 10% off. So this is 10% off the original price. Okay, so that should be 90 per product. Let's see. So when we refresh on the customer side, let me just go back on the home page, and then on the product detail page, you can see now each product will cost $90 if it costs, I mean, if they order at least three. Okay. There is also another option for fixed amount. So we can just say that, and then let's give it something like 50. Then save, refresh right here. And you see now if they buy at least three products, each product will be $50. So this is how these are the three different ways you can set your quantity discounts to ensure that your customers are actually getting the right figures on this side. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you have any questions, reach out in the comment section. See you.